This 2020 Dutchmen Endurance 3956 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 38 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 7, air conditioning, water heater, DVD player, oven, spare tire kit, refrigerator, awning, auxiliary battery, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, and 92 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Dutchmen Endurance 3956 is 12,175 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.